What's up, guys? Sean Dalton here, aka the Slick Trader, and I am here with a daily recap. As you can see in the top left-hand portion of my screen, it is March 16th, and as you can see on the bottom right-hand portion of my screen, I made a little over $10,300 today alone day trading. That is in addition to the $30,000 I made last week. So we're a little over halfway through the month, and I've made over $40,000 day trading this month. So safe to say it has been a great month. As you can see in the top left-hand corner, I have a little over $30,000 in my account. Every day I sweep the gains out of my account into my bank account. So I've already done that. Swept out $10,000 today. I left the other $300 in the account. Just kind of building up a little pillow there in case I have a few bad trades. I don't get below that $25,000 pattern day trading threshold, as you guys know about. So looking at this position statement for the day, you're going to see several trades here. As I said in my previous video, I'm a very frequent trader. I probably open 100 positions a day, and that is not an exaggeration. I'm glued to my computer from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. I probably start looking at the market around 9 a.m. I look at general market conditions. I use a few pre-market scanners, and I start building a watch list. These market conditions, a little different with the coronavirus. It's created a lot of market volatility, so I've been following probably the same 20 to 25 tickers throughout the past week and a half. These tickers all have a lot of volatility in them. They're all making $2-3 swings intraday each way. So these are tickers you can go long on, you can go short on. You can make money either way. And as a day trader, sorry guys, I go long or short. I do not have a preference. I know a lot of people out there have a preference. To me, you're just limiting your potential there. If you only go short or you only go long, then there are going to be days where you just don't have a lot to trade and you're not going to make any money. Whereas people like me who go long and short, I'm making a lot of money no matter what the market conditions are. So, as I said, I trade very frequently. That is intentional. It fits my personality, and I have found that the more I trade, the more profitable I become from a day-to-day perspective. So, and it fits my edge too. You know, you guys have heard that term, finding your edge as a trader, and I have found mine. I've been trading for about 2.5 years, and I have found a trading style that fits my edge and my personality, which is great. It makes trading much more enjoyable, takes away the anxiety. I'm very mellow throughout the day. I don't get too happy. I don't get too sad. I'm just always, even keeled throughout the day. So with that being said, here shortly, what we're going to do is we're going to go through my three biggest winners of the day. So that's going to be CY. I made almost 2,500 on that ticker. NBL, I made about 1,000 on today. And PDCE, I made a little over $6,200 on that ticker today. So we'll jump into all three of those tickers. I'll show you what trades I made, what I did, and what I missed out on. So with that being said, here in a few seconds we'll jump into CY first, and we'll take a look at that. That CY I've actually had on my watch list for about a week. I noticed last week, I want to say last Monday or Tuesday, this ticker gapped up, I think like $4 or $5, and it never sold off. It even, held and consolidated throughout last week. And considering how bearish the market was, I found that very odd. So I kept it on my watch list, knowing in the back of my mind, this ticker is going to sell off eventually. No ticker is immune to these volatile market conditions, and it did. It gapped down this morning, almost filled the gap, couldn't, sold off, then it kind of consolidated throughout the day before starting another hard sell-off with a huge, I mean, I think this one candle is almost a dollar candle. This is a 5-day, 5-minute chart. So in 5 minutes, this ticker dropped almost $1, and I got the majority of this move, which I was very happy about. As you can see, general share size is 2,000 shares. I generally trade 2,000 shares because I'm comfortable with that. I'm comfortable with the with the amounts. I'm only losing $20, $40, $60 a trade generally if they go against me. As I get more comfortable with the ticker or more confident in the move, I will trade larger sizes, 3, 4, 5,000 share lots. So, like I said, I'm just showing you, gapped up, consolidated. I knew it would succumb to market conditions eventually and sell off. So this is something I would look to trade later in the week as well, as I believe this ticker will continue to sell off throughout the week. And it closed at 21.32. Don't be surprised if this thing hits $15 later this week. So if you like to go short, this will be a great shorting opportunity. Just make sure you get in at the right time. You don't want to sit through a big loss if you don't have to. Next up is NBL. This is a ticker I've been trading a lot as well. Really like this ticker. Again, this one gapped down, no surprise. It filled about half the gap before just selling off throughout the day. Unfortunately, I missed that big move at the end of the day, but that's okay. Can't catch them all. We're not Ash Ketchum, right? So this thing sold off throughout the day, and I just kept nickel and diming it throughout the day. $100 win, $100 win, $100 win, over and over and over again. The way I trade, I'm going long, going short. The second the ticker moves in my direction, I move to break even, and then I just trail it. If it stops me out, but I'd rather lock in profits than give back. And like I said earlier, I made almost $1,000 on this ticker for the day. And so now the big one for the day is PDCE. Boy, do I love this ticker, man. This one was a good one. Very good one. I trade this ticker a lot. I love this ticker. It's very volatile, and it's volatile both ways. You can make money going short and going long. As you'll see here, it gapped down. A lot of momentum in the morning, guys, so I rode this thing up. Rode it up, and I noticed, throughout the day, it sold off a little bit, but, to me, this is more so an elongated bull flag, in my opinion. Lasted almost the entire day, but huge momentum in the morning, sold off a little bit, and then huge momentum in the afternoon. I predicted this momentum in the afternoon, so I kept a very close eye on this ticker. And, the second I saw it gaining momentum, I jumped in, and I made a lot of money off this ticker, guys, $6,200. So that's the gist of it. I'm going to end this video here. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment box. I'll do another daily recap tomorrow, and good luck, guys. Enjoy the volatile market conditions, and let's hope for another green day tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and give this video a like. Thanks, guys.